Take them away, boys. Now, roasted chicken in nature. Wow. You know, nature is beautiful, especially cooking in the outdoors. But the way this chicken looks, it looks amazingly great, beautiful color. Look at this. Some water just like that, put it in the fire, some thyme, some rosemary in nature. It doesn't get better than that. Follow me for more, and don't forget to press the like button. Wow. I can just imagine how this chicken came out. Look at this. Ooh la la. Ay, Dios mío. Wow. Okay, I can have two of those chicken, no problem. Follow me for more.